Yeah, what's going on, family? It's your man B Miles coming to you live once again with another video from the B Miles 84 News and Conscious channel. I actually want to come to y'all with another video, man, talking about how the 4.5 magnitude earthquake has struck over there in Coronado City, Philippines. And they said this is like 75 kilometers deep. And this happened around 5:34 p.m. local time over there in the Philippines. This happened pretty much today. So you definitely want to keep your eyes and ears open on this right here. This is another earthquake update, so you definitely want to pay attention. But I had to come to y'all with this video, man, so I thoughts up on this shit, light up on the situation. I felt the need that y'all had to hit this subject. Keep on liking and subscribing to my channel. Always appreciate the love. And don't forget to hit the bell to get all of my notifications. Like, share, and subscribe, and the article will be in the description box. And this your man B Miles coming to you live once again from the B Miles 84 News and Conscious channel. One love once again. Peace.